We've been growing native plants and restoring ecologies for over 20 years, and we're pretty good at it. But the scale and scope of work of restoration required post-quake Christchurch and Kokora were a whole new challenge. Exposed clay on slip faces need a rapid response to stabilise them. We had to push the envelope, take risks and innovate. Traditional methods were just too slow and sometimes not working at all. Red Tree responded with an innovative technology to directly apply a compost-based environmental blanket, rich in nutrients embedded with native seeds. It started as a biomimicking experiment of the forest floor and has grown into a method that increases plant densities, the odds of plant survival, and speed to canopy cover. Natural disasters are disruptive, and so is this technology. We collect seed in the autumn, sow during winter, and have germination in spring, achieving a diversity of pioneer native trees and shrub seedlings in year 1, with targeted outcomes to reach canopy cover in 24 months. This is where it begins, with a seed. The old-growth matai came from this humble beginning. If we are to get on top of the environmental issues we're facing, then we need to do a better job of understanding what we're working with. Red Tree's Enviroblanket technology rapidly establishes native ecologies. The method has proven effective on barren substrates, within engineered wetlands, and in re-establishing coastal forests. Diverse native ecologies have the ability to manage excess nutrient loads, prevent erosion, reduce sediment entering our waterways, and sequester carbon from our atmosphere, providing a better world for future generations. Seeds into forests, forests into legacy. Are you up for that challenge?